to Maple Haven Off-Grid Homestead.
After years of living in Northern Ireland, we're back in Canada searching for the ideal land to build our off-grid dream.
Join us as we explore properties, plan our homestead, and take steps towards self-sufficiency.
From off-grid living to sustainable projects, we are sharing our journey from the very beginning.
So, if you're dreaming of off-grid living, homesteading, or just love the idea of a fresh start, hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Yeah, this is the drive up to our little lot. We're finally here. It's been a few months in coming, and now we're pulling up to it. We're going to see what it looks like in the summertime because we've never seen it in the summer.
Annie, just a minute. Hello. Oh, look at all the growth since we were here last.
Cut out of here.
Holy, look at all the growth since we were here.
Well, yeah. I mean, we were here. There were no.
This was nothing. This was.
So this is kind of where we want to build the pad.
It's not very level.
No.
Oh my.
It looks way different in the summertime.
So, and
At least I get solar.
down, level off a little bit.
See, this is kind of where we were
Here.
thinking.
Build the house, but I can put it here in this
Temporarily to put the trailer just down in here.
Pad built quickly. Very quickly.
I don't know. What do you think? Is it hard enough?
Oh yeah, it's hard. This is not bad at all. No, this is pretty good.
Oh, you're worrying.
No, I wasn't worried about the hardness of the soil. I was
Just
worried
about
getting through there.
Oh. So, well, I mean,
what
we
I'm
need
looking
to
for.
make it wide enough for us to get through, but other than that. Right?
It won't take the time to do that.
No. Right here is, this is the actual, well, what was, I guess, the driveway, but not really the driveway. It's more just the approach, and it's not really that wide, maybe wide enough for a quad. So we're going to widen it so that we can at least get the trailer in for the night, and this is just some of the trees that needed to come down. Chain came off.
This chainsaw was gifted to us. Unfortunately, it was having a lot of trouble staying running. The plugs were fouling. We had to get a chain made for it because we couldn't find one for it. It's a pull-in chainsaw. We should have been able to find one, but we couldn't. So we had one made. It cost us $130. Then it kept coming off. So really, we had to resolve something. So we ended up buying a different one. Just we didn't have time to fix it.
Some of the branches off of it. Have fun. Why? Nothing he can do.
Oh no, not the wind. Before the wind. You want to drop that way?
Oh, shoot. That way.
That way?
Yeah.
Well, that way's fine.
You aren't getting out of there.
I already started.
Yes, it's going that way.
Well, we both gotta go.
Yeah, I know, but I want you to make sure you're out there. That's right. So this is
Well, this is our moment anyway.
this is our prosecco moment after clearing a space for our screen. The trailer's over there. We managed to get it up. And Curtis's little tent over here.
Can you even see it on camera?
You should just put your tent in here.
You can actually see it on camera.
It's not flat in here. It's flat right there.
All right. Here's to
Making up for lost time.
making up for lost time. Yeah. Cheers. I'll drink to that. And new beginnings. Jennifer. Well, this is our first walk. Oh, sorry, puppy. Poor Jennifer. This is our first walk at the new place. Well, first morning walk. Obviously, we've been out since, but sure is beautiful here. It's a nice place to land for a while. Puppies are getting used to all the new scents. They haven't met the new neighbor dogs yet, but they will. They were out already over to ours. They escaped. They're escape artists. Just like these guys. Jennifer's got that wrapped around her neck. Let me just see if I can Hey, Jenny girl, come here, little pup. Come here, Jenny. Jennifer. Jennifer. There we go. They're just getting used to harnesses. But yeah, it's good. It's a nice morning. It's a bit breezy. But hey, that'll be good. We got lots of work to do. We're way back there. It's a good place to start for us. Oh my. Some blue sky up there somewhere. Hopefully we can get a little bit more. This is our first real test of the trailer being completely off grid. So yeah, she was a heavy pull up to the place yesterday. We had decided to bring a full thing of water, and then of course we had all of our stuff too. So that was a real heavy pull. We were pushing the limits of that forward pretty good. All right. Well, oh, there's sun. Oh, maybe we can get a little solar generation. Although I got trees everywhere. Got to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. What's up, Tyne? Did you want to finish something here? He didn't want me to go. He gets really stubborn. How you doing, Jennifer? Jennifer. Hello, little girl. Hello, my little Jennifer. George. So George is black, Jennifer's pink, and Tiny's gray. Not because he's old either. Let's go see Mom. Come on, guys. Let's go see Mom. All right. We'll mosey on back. Bye for now.